I had a small fall on this bike, but definitely I banged on the road. Today I am here to talk about Triumph Scrambler 400X, and this machine is really exciting, and I am here to share my experience of today's ride. So keep watching this video. A little bit late today, but I definitely rode around 50-60 kilometers since morning. I also went through traffic and then some off-road, and right now I am here at a very beautiful place, and this is the right time to talk about Scrambler 400X. You all know that I own a Speed 400, and today I am here to talk about Scrambler 400X, and I'm really excited for this because I have experience of that bike, and this bike is really a different one, but I would really like to tell you my experience with Scrambler 400X.
Scrambler 400X, which runs on 398cc engine and delivers 39.5 horsepower, feels lively and is perfect for various conditions on the road. May it be in traffic or may it be on rough road or off road, Scrambler will always give you exact power that you need, and this is, I feel, like a effortless bike. Now when I'm riding on various roads, I really feel that bike is performing good. I'm getting good balance, and the most important part is that you are able to handle the bike. Don't miss next parts of the video, because there I have spoken about the bike, where I am talking about design and its features and so many more things.
So now let's talk about design of this bike. This bike is much bigger and taller than Speed 400, and there are many standard things which you can see in this bike. So we also have cows and buffaloes around me. Coming back to design, here we get a headlamp grille, and we also get knuckle guards in this bike. There are few more things. This bike, like I said, it's taller, as well as it has these plates where beautifully Scrambler 400X is written. As you can see that this bike is totally dirty today because I took it in water, slush and mud, as well as many potholes while coming here. ये हालत है अभी फिलहाल रोड की. Again, talking about design, I really loved its twin pipe exhaust, and now let's hear the exhaust note of this pretty bike. I'd really love to tell you that this exhaust complements the entire bike, the height, the build and everything, and with that exhaust, it really looks cool. So now let's hear the exhaust note. Scrambler is a bike which is used for street as well as off-road. When you say that it is a street bike, it should give you proper comfort, which this bike delivers. And when you say that it is used for off-roading or going on trails, then you should have those features as well. So talking about it, it has 19 inches wheel, which gives you a proper ground clearance, as well as it is very good for off-roading. This bike also gives you an option for turning off your traction control and putting it on off-road mode. So this is off-road mode and this is traction control. You can turn it off and you can put it on off-road mode. So this is one very good feature which it gives. Seat height of this bike is 835 mm, which gives you a proper position for saddling and off-roading. Now I'll just hop on bike and I'll show you how comfortable I am while sitting on the bike as well as while saddling. So when I'm trying to saddle on this bike, it is really easy, and if you are taller, you can definitely install handlebar riser and get handlebar near you. But overall, this saddling position is very good. Another reason for that is because it has a wider handlebar, and this really gives you a very good grip, as well as there is no stress on your shoulders. So this is really good. Plus, if you will see, I can easily grab the tank and hold the bike. My height is 5'7" and Speed 400 is very comfortable for me. I also ride Adventure 390 where I don't have flat foot, but definitely on my toes I can balance. Now for this bike, I am able to actually balance it on my toes comfortably, as well as it is very easy to saddle on this bike. Now if you have height around 5'7" and more, you will be very comfortable on this bike. And if your height is little less, you can still use this bike comfortably, because if you will see the CG, it's really good, and most important, you can have your riding boots and hop on bike very easily. And coming back to our bike, so I want to tell you about bash plate, which comes in standard. That is this one, and it is really a tough one, which is heavy. It is not simply given just for namesake. This bike has really good grab rails, and I'm really impressed with it because it's little wider and longer, as well as seats are comfortable, and they are two-piece seats, so which gives comfort to your pillion as well as rider. One thing which I really like, or which I consider when I see a street or a adventure bike, that is how would you feel when you do saddling. And for that, I feel foot pegs are very important. Generally, many people upgrade their foot pegs, but if you'll see in this bike, foot pegs are a little broader, and the best part is that you can easily remove the rubber and you can just use without rubber, so that you can get the exact grip which you need for saddling or while off-roading. Sometime back I had a small fall on this bike, though that fall was not at a higher speed, but definitely I banged on the road and I was a little worried what happened to the bike. Let me show you where all that impact was taken on this bike. So first of all, like I said, it has wider handlebar, so the impact was taken majorly here and on the knuckle guards. Then bike was little in a cross way, so it took impact here, and later I can also see that impact was taken here. Impact was also taken on the foot peg. So apart from this, I am not hurt, and I was able to pick this bike up very easily with some techniques. But overall, I would say that this bike is taking very good impact, which is a very important thing for any off-road bike. This bike comes in 3 different colors from which you can choose, and those all colors are really good, and they have their excellent paint quality which Triumph provides, and most important, it definitely has a road presence. Now let's talk about price of this machine. So it will cost you 2.63 lakhs ex-showroom, which is almost 30,000 more than Speed 400, and definitely almost a lakh more than other adventure bikes you have in market. If you are looking for a bike which will give you happiness of street as well as off-roading, then this is your bike. This Scrambler is perfect for street riding as well as off-roading. If you're planning for touring, even for that, this bike is really good. So this is kind of a perfect match if you are looking for that kind of a machine. I just have to give you 2 cents from my end. If you're planning to choose this bike, just go and take a test ride. Make sure that you are identifying your comfort with the height as well as with the weight. If this defines and match your requirements, then go for this bike. As well as this is second machine which was brought in market from Bajaj and Triumph's collaboration, and I'm really happy to ride this machine and express my feelings about it. And now, if you want to watch more such content, then do subscribe to this channel, as well as I create some more content on Instagram, so do follow me there. And if you have any questions or anything or any doubt about this machine, you can just leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to answer more details about this machine. That I always say that all the technical specifications are mentioned in description, so go and check that, because I am always a person who will come and who will give review as per my personal experience. So the technical part you can see in description, read it, and if you have doubt, just connect with me. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.